Yo, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to share something that I've worked on today and I think is really cool, and if people are interested I might release it on GitHub. I might develop this more. I don't know, it's just something I decided to work on for like the past couple days, and I was curious what everyone thought about it. So I have an Arduino here hooked up to 3 buttons and a potentiometer, and I'm currently running it with some custom firmware here through the Arduino IDE. This is to basically just take these buttons and potentiometer so I can send them over serial over this USB port to my computer over there, so I can read the data from them. And then I have this backend written in C++. It's big and it's disorganized, but it gets the job done. And this runs a VST using Juice that then reads the serial from this, which is my own custom system I made, and it interprets these signals that it gets from these and applies them to VST MIDI control. So I'm basically using this as a MIDI controller for like MIDI CC parameters. So not necessarily notes, but like the intonation of the notes. That's what this can change. And then I have it running in Ableton Live here. I have a little test song here I'm about to play. And I got these synthesizers. You can see I have this MIDI monitor here. You can see when I like press these buttons, they show up in the monitor like that. And if I turn this potentiometer right here, you can see it just sweeps up to 127, back down to 0. And I have this is my plugin running. It's my little VST poopy one, because I got it running just the base Juice. You type in your device, set your baud rate, and then you can have this little graph of what things you have mapped on the actual Arduino itself. And then you can have, this is your serial output right here. So you can see you have your buttons and then your potentiometer here. I can press them on the thing and you'll see that the values change, and it maps them to those MIDI values through Juice, because this thing is basically acting as a MIDI instrument. So you can map the MIDI values like this, right? You pick whatever your thing, right? You pick that, and then it maps it to these synthesizers, which in this case is a Vital synthesizer plugin. I have my mappings here, so you can see if I press the buttons, my things go. The buttons are just simple on and off stuff. So you could also put like a toggle switch and it would be like turning something on or off. But you can see I can turn, like, you know, some of them on, some of them off. And then I have this potentiometer set up to be filter sweep, like that. So I can, you know, just moving the potentiometer and it's moving the filter. So I'm gonna show you a demonstration here. Let me just set up my